My name is Hindu. In this video, we are going to learn about medical terminologies. Hospital, on the side of your arm, hospital. Doctor, follow the way I'm signing, doctor. Nurse, nurse is signed as this. Drugs or medication, drugs because we swallow them. Temperature. Family planning methods. Family planning methods. Pregnancy. You are pregnant. It has to be in the middle of your belly. Emergency. Quick or emergency. Quick. High, when your temperature is high, with sign like this, do not keep your fingers open. High, they have to be closed. Low, low, something is going down. I'm feeling weak, weak. It's like something breaking, weak. Dizziness or drowsiness. Your head is more like spinning, dizziness. Allergies. Allergies, you either smell, your body contradicts with it. So in summary, let us remember these: hospital, doctor, nurse, medication or drugs, temperature, family planning methods, emergency, high, low, weak, dizziness, allergy. Please continue learning sign language, and at the same time, like and subscribe to our links below.